Anyway, this is my hand drill that I just made from a wooden dowel from the hardware store. And what I actually did is somewhat cheated in a couple of ways. One is I fire hardened the end of this of the bit itself of the hand drill. Just kind of, once I got a fire going, then actually just held this over the fire to kind of carbonize it a little bit and really heat it and draw some moisture out. So, and also got my nice pin cap that I used to make just a collar, I guess, or whatever, for the hand drill itself, just to kind of link the two together, so that way I can just use short bits that would be used, or it would be good for hand drill fire making material. And this is pine, and did the same thing, just kind of held this over the fire too to kind of heat treat this a little bit, somewhat carbonize it, so just to make it a little easier. And also used a this is from a skateboard wheel, or a rollerblade wheel, I would say. It's actually one of these, the wheel itself with the bearing in the middle, and what the bearing looks like here. And this actually just pops in and out real easy, one on each side. And I just left the one on the top here, so just on the end of the, and all I did was just lace a couple of loops. Just tied a loop here to, and this is actually jute twine, just to make some thumb loops to help a little bit with downward pressure. And it actually worked out pretty well. I'm just kind of looking for something where I can kind of practice a little bit more without beating up my hand so much. So I still got like a double blister here, and there's one that's formed under here, and each of these knuckles here all have a little something. So I'm just trying to find methods to where I can continue to practice without waiting to heal constantly until I get my hands somewhat conditioned for it. So anyway, just some other ideas I was toying with.